Also, what makes you unique?
The video you're about to watch is a preview from one of my fashion design courses available online on Fashion Premier Academy. Roll it!
What makes you unique? Not just your company, but you. What makes you unique? Because who you are as a fashion designer is an extension of who you are. You are distinct and unique, and so should your designs be. People are drawn to you because of your uniqueness and your impact. Focus on creating your own unique style. It's so important. What do you do that nobody else does? What is your unique genius?
Thank you for watching this video. Check out all the videos available on Fashion Premier Academy. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell next to it so you'll be notified every time I post a new video, which is every week. I'll see you in class.